cute. Reese's, come to me and I'll take you, but you gotta hold on to the rope.
Hold on to the rope. She'll be fine. Reese, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Reese, hold on to the rope, and the mommy's gonna come get you. Hold on to the rope real tight. Hold on to the rope real tight. Hold on.
You got this, Pieces.
Okay. Reese, hold on to the rope.
Hold on, Reese's. Put both hands on your rope and Mommy will come get you.
You made it.
It's okay. It's okay. Pieces! Oh, she's waving. She's waving. Hold on, Bennett. She was waving, Nicole. It was so cute.